kanjani nizibhosa zam ndinilahla ndingakulahla njani ibhosa yam naJoe. Anyway, Mojo man, are you guys good? Are you guys good? Are you really good? Are you really good? Me boy, I'm not good, boy. I'm not good. My academics are showing me flames, bro. My life is my life is like this, man. Yeah. You see this? And then eating boy. Hey, Kobe. But I'm gonna try and get back on my Zoom, to my Zoom, but ezumini ndiyayakhona yebo and ndizabe ndiphayana nona yam ndiphile qede ndisemandleni yandibamba ndibe ndipha. But yeah, for now I'm just like nona yam angoku yo boy, yes yeah. But yeah, this is a vlog to give you guys an insight of what is happening in my life, because I feel like if I don't show you what is happening, like show you a little bit of what's happening, of what's keeping me from vlogging and everything, and it's gonna be a thing of a very long time, because this girl of here too is not treating me good, because this girl is so hectic. But yeah, this is a video to give you guys a little insight of what's happening, like, you know, just give you a glimpse of what's so hectic in my life, why I'm not okay and everything, so that if it happens that it becomes scarce, it's because of his call of it, because ingayindoni enye accuse ingayindoni enye fika ngaphandle kwesikolo, because isikolo mfethu asifuna ukubona ndiphila. Because the past few weeks, boy, nona yam, the past few weeks, if ngiyahlala phansi nikubalisele, you wouldn't want anything to do with my life right now. But yeah, so now I'm going to go to the library, and then I'll come back probably later, because tomorrow I have a practical, so I have to practice for that. Otherwise, Mojo.
Sub chat. Oh, I thought yo, I was gonna cry, boy. Yo. Yes. What's up, chat? We're dying, chat. Day in the life of a broke, struggling student. Failing. Yo, it's crazy. Chance, I'll see you in a bit. I'm dying again.
Small update. It's not nice. Boy, boy, we keep going back and forth about one thing or two things. But I know I have hope and trust in us that we're gonna arrive home when that thing is running. Yeah, otherwise, Mojo. This is what is it? Sun and Death. This is a part where you decide the winner of the fight or not. But we're gonna do this thing. Trust me, I trust you. You just don't know yet. Damn. 9 a.m. It's 8:30. I don't know how many hours I've been here working on one program, but yeah, now it's 8:30. We are leaving because Melvin is waiting for his shuttle, yeah, and now I have to go home because my head is aching. But yeah, I think the thingy works. We got help from one of our classmates on the thingy we were struggling with, but now my code runs again. It ran the first time, but it didn't do stuff that it was supposed to do. But now we're hoping that it's gonna do stuff that, yeah, whatever. Mojo. What up, chat? Semajita. The time is, I don't know. I think it's around 11. Still coding. We're getting there though. Yeah. This is me trying to update you. I have a headache, but I'm not gonna stop coding until I get the results I want. So yeah, but much of it. Can you tell? Can you tell from my eyes that I'm tired? I'm tired, boy. Yo. But thing is this. I can't stop because like I'm like almost there, yo. But yeah, I think I'm gonna sleep anytime soon. So I'll see you tomorrow when I'm going to my practical and all that. Oh, and also I have a performance tomorrow. We've been having performances for the past month. So yeah, but like I have a performance tomorrow and all that. Maybe if I write this and then tomorrow properly and I'm happy, I'm good, I'll go to the performance. But if I'm not okay, just come back and sleep. Cause excuse me, life is not okay, boy. But Mojo, I think I'm gonna sleep. My headache is getting more painful and all that. And this guy here has been loading for a very long time. My laptop is so slow and everything. I think it's because of the power and everything it has. It's not compatible with the what's this thing? Visual Studio. But I think it's a lot because you're actually I wanted to sleep like properly. But hey man. So do you want to pepe? Damn, my eyes are so yo. But it's Mojo. It's Mojo away. Hope you guys are good. Today is a Friday. I'm about to leave and go and write my class test / practical. And guys, I'm just hoping that I get good marks. I'm just hoping that I get good marks. I tried. I really tried. Oh my god, I tried. So yeah, that's just what's happening about my academics today. And then and in fact, I'm gonna miss a performance because I'm writing. But I heard that there is a Guijo night thingy at this other house on campus. So I'm hoping that Amajita are going to agree for us to go there after they finish performing. But yeah, today we're gonna come back, chill. Today I'm gonna chill. Today I'm gonna chill, boy. As the top chilla. I'm gonna chill, man. I am. Hey, and as for Temku Chacho, the pholay Joe, the Bukelu YouTube, Takushe. But yeah, that's what I want to do today when I come back. And then, yeah, that's basically that. Otherwise, or let me vi, I'm gonna eat and then vi, and then I'll let you guys know how I wrote. Or if I don't tell you guys, that's me telling you how I wrote. But I'm hoping for the best. I'm really hoping for the best. Because my code did run yesterday. It did, but not 100% now, but like it did. So I'm hoping if they give us something similar, I'll be able to execute and everything. But watch. If ndiyafika phayana jo and inzima yonke la way uphuma ngegoduka ishiya la ndawo jo alela ndiziqhelisa ngendaziqhelisa ngekhompyutha hayi goduka izolala iziphanjanelo kaloku kusifethu ndizamile man. Yes, let me not bother myself and think too much about this ne. Ndizamile fethu and ke iyobe imizamo ingazameki ke hayi ngejo hayi andazi nam hayi akitseni. Please don't judge me. I won't judge you. Thing is, I'm late, so I don't wanna I'm just gonna eat this, drink water, and fine. Otherwise, oh, don't I am. I'm in the wrong. Oh. 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 You were never there. You were never there. In fact, time wako no olet wako babi ngekazana nokwazana. In fact, time wako wayesacenga uthwaxiswa ngolet wako. Before I talk about anything else, are you guys good? I hope you guys are good, because if you're not good, then I won't be good. But if you're good, then I'm good. Today is a Saturday evening, and I just tried studying, pre-studying type thing, and then I'm busy with my database assignment. This is like a rough draft. Then I'm gonna draw my diagram on my laptop, because this is like a database assignment and it's just like a rough draft, and I have to then submit it. But I'm not gonna submit it today. I first have to see my friend's work and see ubana ndenze ntoni wrong okanye kubani wenze ntoni wrong between us, and then more like evaluation type thing before submission, and then submit, because this thing is like due on Tuesday and I'm almost done with it, but yeah. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm probably just gonna watch YouTube, because I was watching vlogs right now because I was eating, because I can't watch, like I can't just eat. Feto, I really can't just eat. I used to eat and not even watch anything, but now it's a thing of like, let me watch something, and I'm always just watching vlogs every time I eat. So yeah, so I was watching vlogs, and yeah, so now I'm about to try and do this, and then after doing it, I think I'm just gonna chill and be on my phone, or I don't know, depending on my energy or my motivation or what to study, and then I'll continue studying. But I'm not gonna do my database thingy. I'm gonna probably code, because man, that also needs my attention. it really needs my attention. But yeah, let me do that, and yeah, otherwise, Mojo. Yeah, today is a Sunday evening, enjoying my last moments of sleep because I'm not gonna be sleeping so well this next few weeks because of school. Yeah, well, so I'm trying to get enough sleep as I can. But yeah, that's what's gonna happen right now. I'm just gonna eat, watch a vlog, and then log in up until I don't know what time. But I have to sleep early today because I have a class tomorrow, a 7 a.m. class. Imagine, save. What am I saying? 7 a.m. Yeah, I have a 7 a.m. class tomorrow, and I have to sleep early so that I wake up early tomorrow, and with enough sleep so that I don't sleep in class. Yeah, well, since away. See you. Don't forget to subscribe. Gonna pholay bomb. Mojo, Lawe. Hope you guys are doing good. I hope you are still doing good because I am doing amazing. Okay, I'm kidding. I'm not doing amazing because I feel bad for missing my 7 a.m. class today. Because you know the reason what makes me feel a little better is that a little better. Did I say a little? But yeah, what makes me feel like better is that I slept late preparing for that class. So whatever they were doing today, I had covered it already because I know that guy didn't finish the whole chapter. He just did like half of it, and I also did like the half of it. So whatever they'll be doing on Wednesday, I would have prepared it for it, or like on Tuesday, you know. So like I didn't miss much, but the only problem is that I didn't take attendance, and attendance is very crucial for that module. Yeah, well, so yeah, but I'm hoping that it's not gonna be an issue like that. But yeah, so what's gonna happen today? Today is a Monday actually, afternoon. I think it's around 1-ish or 12. I don't know. But yeah, I have a class at 2. I have a practical at 2, but we're using that that practical to present today. So yeah, my group is gonna be presenting. My group member is gonna be presenting. So I'll just be there, you know. Yeah, you do it. What? You go, boy. You go. Yeah, you can do it. Oh my God. Yeah, well, that's all I'll be doing. But besides that, I'll be on my phone and yeah, making jokes so that the group doesn't notice that I am not doing anything or nothing or what. But yeah, well, and then after that I'll go to the library and then study up until 9 or 10. Yeah, well, I'm thinking of actually coding up until like today and tomorrow. Yeah, well, try and finish today and tomorrow so that on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday I start with next week test preparations, because if I start during the weekend, because I'm writing 2 times and the dates are close to each other, so I won't be able to, you know, cover the content properly, and I want to cover the content properly so that I get very good marks. So yeah, English was a teacher, but yeah, I want to get good marks. So and I want enough time to actually cover everything. So that's what I'll be doing today, and then I'll come back. You know, I don't know what I'm saying, but I just hope you understand. I just really hope you understand. This week is hectic. Monday, Tuesday, I'm coding. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'm preparing for next week tests. Yeah, and then on Friday I have a practical for coding, which I would have prepared for it Monday and Tuesday, and then I'll do a little touch-ups on Thursday evening before, you know, Friday. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Cause shit.
The skills is too complex to manage in-house. Their need to focus on core business. Cost or time savings are prioritized, and long-term maintenance can be delegated. Thank you.
Fethu bengicinga ne-ora uzidawudza andizobaleka mayinethe le way andenza ntoni imvula anabhongo bo uyandenzela bed mfethu and bendiphethe ne-laptop in my bag ayandinetha imvula there is inxiba ezinqwazi intloko yam yagodola mfethu intloko yam yagodola nangonzo ngena ezigubeni nditshintshe notshintsha nqa because I was wearing all black tshintshe notshintsha mfethu because what? But exam. Right now, I'm about to code. I'm gonna get in bed and then code until I fall asleep. Otherwise, Mojo.
Without commitment, you'll never start. But more importantly, without consistency, you'll never finish. Ease is a greater threat to progress than hardship.
This is Amo. You know him. Anyway, yeah, this is just after classes. I called it 10. I'm actually zifenzi zami nxa ke
wena xa ubona mina uthi ngicela isithombe uma ubona mina uthi ngicela isithombe
yeah boy
abantu bazindise Cape Town
let me talk. You my fan, I'm your fan. He's my fan, I am not his fan.
Oh wow, yes. Yeah, that's
I'm your fan.
You are fantastic. You are my fan, Munna. You follow me everywhere.
Boy, ndi fan around you. Mfethu andikile nami mfethu.
Those things, then you can